It was announced that 11 people died and 30 went missing after a highway bridge partially collapsed on Friday due to intensifying storms and floods in northwest China. Officials indicate that the death toll could rise. The official Xinhua news agency reported that 5 vehicles were recovered from the bridge that collapsed around 8:40 p.m. on Friday in Shaanxi Province. A photo released by the agency shows a section of the bridge almost submerged at a 90-degree angle in the water. The agency stated that rescue operations continued on Saturday in Zhashui County, with about 20 vehicles and 30 people still missing. A similar number of missing people were reported in the floods further southwest in Sichuan Province. An estimated 30 people were reported missing, and approximately 40 houses were destroyed by floods and storms. In Hanyuan County, the area most affected by the floods, roads, bridges, and communication networks were damaged, and most were out of service, according to the agency. Rescue teams worked to restore communication and transportation links before dawn. In recent years, China has built a vast network of highways, high-speed railways, and airports alongside its rapidly growing economy. However, poor quality infrastructure, inadequate safety inspections, and the eagerness of industrial companies to cut costs and make quick profits have led to a continuous increase in fatal accidents. The western and southwestern provinces of China are particularly prone to floods and landslides due to their mountainous terrain and powerful rivers. Mining activities, tourism, and increasing urbanization have severely disrupted the delicate balance with the natural environment.